Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, Google Autofill is off. But you can always switch it on by hitting the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!